And it was like, no, you can't do that. No, you haven't done that. Like, immediately it came up with so many like negative objections of how I would expect all the most negative things to be directed at me. So it's really hard. I mean, it's just really awful things that my brain says, just like, you haven't done it, you can't do it, like you suck at this, like so many self-deprecating things. And so I really have to consciously make the choice to be like, no, that's not true. No, I don't have evidence to that, because I do hear a lot of negative, intrusive thoughts. And you just have to choose to nurture the other ones. Like I said, every single day, it's a mindset thing.
Yeah, for sure. That's really good advice.